everybody, welcome to Big OGGIE World, welcome to Cocktail Corner, welcome to a very scruffy Big O. It's hot out and I've been going for a walk today and I need to go have a shower in a minute, but I thought we'd very quickly put together a smart and fast cocktail. It's a cocktail from the 1920s and 30s, but given a revamp as an alcoholic version. So it was a cocktail called a Shirley Temple. We're doing a dirty Shirley. Dirty Shirley. Won't take long this, okay? So get yourself a glass. Now it's going to be a very sweet drink, this. Sorry, that's the kind of addition it was. Get yourself a glass with lots of ice in it. Get yourself your measurer. Now, Dirty Shirley is a vodka-based cocktail. So get yourself 60 mils of vodka. We've got Smirnoff, but hey, you know, use whatever you got. There we go. I'm going to do this on my phone today, so you'll have to bear with me. 60 mils of vodka. Then you get yourself some grenadine syrup. Other brands are available. This is what makes it very sweet. Grenadine is, well, all manner of different berries, to be honest. Raspberries, black currants, you name it. Yeah. Get yourself 30 mils of syrup. Yeah, I know. It's a sweet thing. It was a drink for a child initially, and then they added the alcohol. Pop that in to there. Lovely. Or not. Then, get yourself some lemon and lime soda. Now, the traditional standard Shirley Temple was originally made with ginger ale, but then they turned it into going more into the lemon and lime soda. So nowadays, people tend to use that one, 7 Up, or Sprite, any other brands are available. The idea is about 6 ounces. Well, kind of pretty much topping it up, okay? We're going to go for about that for now, okay? Right, now, very quickly, oops, drop the lid, sorry, right, tell Kelly later. Now, to that, we're going to add a squeeze of fresh lime juice, okay? Just to oomph that kind of lemon and lime stuff going on. There we go. We're going to add a wheel of lime in a second, but we're going to give this a stir. Then we come back, I'll get a spoon. I've got a spoon. Right, so I'm going to give this a stir. What kind of makes it pink? Obviously, the more grenadine you put in, the more syrupy it becomes and the more pink it becomes. So that's that. So now you can add your little wedge of lime in there. You've got the lime juice in there already. And finally, just to top it off, get yourself some cocktail cherries. Some, well, maraschino cherries, the old cocktail cherry. Last time I found these when I was using them for snowballs at Christmas. But we found a couple lying around. And you just pop those on to make your drink pretty. That's it, all done. I'm going to take a picture and we'll give it a taste. Not sure if I'm going to like this. Could be very sweet. Okay, we ready? Surely going to be good, isn't it? Don't call me Shirley. That's a film. There's a film for you. Shirley Temple. Dirty Shirley. Oh, do you know, that's actually really nice. It's not as sweet. It is sweet, but it's not as sweet as you're kind of expecting. It's got a lovely, fruity kind of roundness to it. Great for the summer. Great for the summer. I'd put a bit more lime juice in. I've got a bit more here if I want to add it, which I probably will. Just to give it a bit more bite. But hey, that's a good one. It was very popular a few years ago in the summer. Across America and lots of other places. Give it a try. The Dirty Shirley. You won't regret it. You really won't. Bye everybody. Speak soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Get everyone to come and join Big OGGIE World. And obviously if you like golf, come and join me on Big OGGIE Golf too. It's a good one. Bye.